Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Acsah and today I am sharing this amazing pizza sauce recipe with all of you. For this recipe, I'm just gonna put everything in the chopper and chop them. It makes life so much easier. I always like some chunks in it, so if you want it fine, you can always put it in the blender. Here I'm taking a pan and just putting in some olive oil. And as you can see, it's nicely combined, yet it's chunky. And then just give them a good mix. So here I'm adding some spices like some chili flakes, then I'm having some cumin. You can choose whichever spice you like in your sauce, and here I forgot to mention that I did add some oregano, and that's up to you. I like a lot of oregano usually, so yeah. At the end, I'm just gonna add some sugar. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and guess what? I have a great surprise coming for you all, so stay tuned. Till next time, ciao!